Hello everyone, welcome back once again. I hope you all are really doing well. So finally your video presentations are over and I am extremely happy to see the way you people have spoken German in your presentation. It was fabulous, it was mind-blowing, and I am extremely happy with the way you people have responded. And still I have a request to make. If somebody has not yet submitted video presentations to me, kindly do it before 12th of August. If you have not even submitted your holiday homework, get it done, and please submit the same before 12th of August. So in my last video, we have done almost all the questions and I told you that only 2 questions are left. So today we'll do those 2 questions, and after completing those 2 questions our chapter will be over. Without wasting further, let's begin with the video. And yes, one more important thing is there. If your chapter 3 notebook is checked by me, so you don't need to send me your notebook on Tuesday again and again, because this is something you are repetitively doing for nothing. If your notebook is unchecked, that means you have not sent your notebook to me on last Tuesday. Then only you may send your notebook again. And soon we'll start with chapter number 4. Then you will have the notebook work, and then you may submit your notebooks again. And nobody need to submit Arvite's book, right? So let's begin with the video. So students, as you can see in question number 2, we have 2 blanks. First blank will be for preposition and second blank will be for article. As I told you, in this chapter you people have learned about Wechsel preposition, and Wechsel preposition will have a case of dative and accusative. I taught you this, that the conditions of accusative were there should be a movement, there should be a doer, and there should be a change in article. So first sentence is Den Esstisch stellen wir. In this, as you can see, the verb here is stellen, which means to keep, and if we are keeping something, there will be a movement, and movement is always accusative. So first one will be accusative. I have underlined also and written A also, which means the dining table, we are keeping a dining table near the window, right? Next one is the couch steht dash dash Heizung. Couch is couch only. A couch is lying dash the heater. Heizung means heater. So a couch is lying in front of a heater. It could be near the heater. So you can see I have written vor der Heater, vor der Heizung, which means in front of heater. Nummer 3, die Blumen sind in der Wasser. This is the easiest one. The flowers are in the vase. This is again dative because there is no movement. Next, die Wasser stellt dash dash Tisch, which means he kept the vase dash the table. If he is keeping, so I know you people got this point. If somebody is keeping something, so movement is there, doer is there. So this is accusative. So he is keeping a vase on a table, and on is auf and table is der Tisch. क्योंकि accusative है, der becomes den. Fifth point, mein Pass liegt dash dash Schublade, which means my pass is lying dash the shoe rack. If a pass is lying, already lying, it is again accusative, dative. It's already lying, no movement. So hinter der Schublade. Next one, stecken Sie die Kassette dash dash recorder, which means insert the cassettes in the recorder. So again this is accusative because if you are just doing something, there will be a movement. So this is accusative. Next one, der Superman springt in the Schwimmbad, which means a Superman is jumping in a swimming pool. If a Superman is jumping, again it is accusative. Next, wartet dash dash Kino, which means he is waiting in front of a theater. So this is dative. Then next one, Ich esse heute in dem Restaurant, which means I am eating in a restaurant. This one is dative. In article of restaurant is das, but das will become dem because it is dative. In ninth part, might you have confusion why ma'am is saying dative? Because if we are eating, there is a movement. But a movement is from one place to another place. That will be considered as dative. Sorry, accusative. Okay. 10th part, arbeitet dein Vater zu Haus oder in das Büro, which means, is your father working at home or in an office? So this one is again accusative. So this question is done. Okay, now we are going to start the next question, which is fourth one. This is the easiest one. I have also mentioned accusative and dative in front of this question also. First one, as you can see, accusative, because if you are traveling somewhere, fahren means to travel. If you are traveling, there is a movement, so this is accusative. Second is also accusative, because if you are going, then it is also accusative. Third one is dative, because the verb is won't, which means to live, and if I am living somewhere, my house cannot move. Fourth one is also dative. Fourth one is also dative. Giza Wasser means to water plants. Okay. Fifth one is also dative. Are you in room? Okay. Sixth one is gibt. This is always accusative. There are so many cars in my street. Seventh one is dative. Are you sitting in front of a television? Eighth one is accusative, legst, which means keep the utensils in the kitchen. Ninth one is accusative, make yourself sit on a couch. And 10th one is also accusative. Stellen means to keep. So listen to me very carefully, everybody. In any case, if you consider dative, this is a tip. In any case, if you consider dative, I am, dem, these are the things, or these are the articles or prepositions which will always come in the case of dative. M is for dative, always. Okay, so please complete your work on time, stay home, stay safe. Thank you all. Have a nice day.